Adding hold actions to objects in public Zeus. Step 1. Go to Eden Editor and place down a single generator and then place down 4 light sources and ensure they are named Lamp 1, Lamp 2, Lamp 3, and Lamp 4. Step 2. Go to the video description and copy the used code line, then double click on the generator and paste the code into the init box. Part 1 of the code uses a remoteExec line which will execute a given function for all clients connected to the server. In this case, we are using the hold action function, which is set to execute for all clients with the JIP enabled. This function requires an array on the left-hand side of the remoteExec, which will define the hold action. This includes the name of the objects the hold action is assigned to, using the phrase this, the text which will be displayed on the hold action, which will display sabotage generator, the idle icon which will display the destroy icon, progress icon which will also display the destroy icon, the condition for the action which is set when the user is less than 3 meters away from the generator, the condition for the action to progress which is set while the user is less than 3 meters away from the generator, the code which is executed when the action starts which is set to empty, the code executed on every tick of progress which is also set to empty, the code which is executed on completion which will turn off all of the lamps using the switchLight function and will play a music track using another remoteExec line with the playMusic function. The code executed upon interruption is also set to blank, the arguments have also been set to blank, the action duration has been set to 12 seconds, the priority is set to 0, the remove on completion is set to true, and the show when unconscious is also set to false. In summation of the code, the user will be able to access the hold action when they are less than 3 meters away and must be within that distance to complete the hold action. The hold action will display a destroy icon with the text sabotage generator and will continue to display the icon whilst the hold action is being executed. The execution time will take 12 seconds, and when complete, all 4 lamps in the compound will be switched off and a music track will be played. Step 3. Once you are satisfied with the code, select the generator and the lamps and save them as a custom composition and leave Eden Editor. Step 4. Go onto an official Bohemia public Zeus server with either the name EU0A, 0B, 0C, or 0D. Go to the compositions and empty subcategory and select the save custom composition and left click anywhere or press Alt and left click. And that's how you add hold actions to objects in public Zeus. Goodbye.